dance is called bottoms up. 48 count, 4 walks. There are 2 tags and 1 restart in this dance. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, step right to the side, step, behind side cross, behind side cross. Point right to right, point right in front, point right to side, cross shuffle. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, step left to the side, behind side cross, make a quarter turn to your left, and 2 pivot quarter turn to the left. Pivot turn, pivot turn. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, walk forward 2 steps, right and left. Right, left, kick ball step, kick ball step. Rock right, recover, back shuffle. Section 3, with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, rock left back, rock back, recover, make a half turn shuffle to your right. Quarter together, back, side, touch, side, touch. Section 4, with a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, diagonal kick ball cross. Kick and cross, quick step to the right and drag left with a touch. And diagonal kick ball cross to the left, kick ball cross, step left to the side and step right behind left. Section 5 with a count, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Last section, shuffle quarter to the left, side together quarter, pivot quarter turn, cross. Make another quarter to your right, facing 6 o'clock, and another quarter to your right, facing 9 o'clock, with a cross. So last section with a count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this dance, at the end of wall 1, there is the tag. The tag is a rocking chair. So we end wall 1 here with the cross, do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. With the count, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you continue the dance here, 9 o'clock, doing wall 2. So at the end of wall 2, there is another tag. Facing 6 o'clock, the tag is rock, recover, back, recover. Side, behind quarter, step, pivot, half turn to your left, quarter to the left, rock, recover. So with the count at the end of wall 2, there's a tag. The count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this dance, there is a restart during wall 6 after 32 count. Let me show you wall 6 facing 9 o'clock. Here is wall 6. So we start 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 32 count, and you will restart wall 7 here. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And you continue the dance from here.